Hi, and welcome to J&K Infotech CyberHub. If you're curious about cybersecurity but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain what cybersecurity is, why it matters, and how you can protect yourself online. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting digital devices, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. Think of it like a digital security guard for your computer, smartphone, and personal information. Just like you lock your doors at night, cybersecurity helps keep hackers out of your digital life. Why is cybersecurity important? Every day, millions of people and companies are targeted by cyber criminals. Hackers try to steal passwords, credit card numbers, personal photos, or even business secrets. In recent years, companies like Optus and Medibank in Australia suffered huge cyber attacks. That's why cybersecurity is important for everyone, not just IT professionals. Types of cybersecurity. There are many areas in cybersecurity. Here are a few important ones. 1. Network security. Protects your internet connection from attacks. 2. Information security. Keeps your personal data safe and private. 3. Application security. Secures the apps you use daily like WhatsApp or Instagram. 4. Cloud security. Protects the files you store online. 5. Cyber awareness. Helps people recognize online threats and scams. 5. Easy ways to stay safe online. Here are 5 simple things you can do today to protect yourself online. Use strong and unique passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication. Avoid clicking on unknown links or email attachments. Keep your software and apps updated. Install and use a trusted antivirus tool. Conclusion: cybersecurity is all about staying safe in the digital world. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who uses the internet daily, it's never too early to start learning. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to J&K Infotech CyberHub for more easy-to-understand IT videos. Comment below if you want a video on phishing, ethical hacking, or top cyber threats in 2020. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay secure!